love from the Adon, the Master, Yahusha, the Messiah. Hallelujah. Welcome back to our 6-part series of burpees. Today we have a tutorial for you, for beginners, for those who haven't done burpees before, or just need some help with their form. And those who have done burpees, who are familiar with it, this can be used as a refresher or more of a correction for form as well. Without further ado, let's get started. This is Room for Yah. I'm Coach Stefan.
And I'm Coach Britt Yah.
Hallelujah. All right. So the first exercise that you want to know or master or need to understand the fundamentals of is squat. With a squat, you want to pretend that you're protruding your feet into the ground. As you go down, you want to keep an upright torso, even when you're slightly leaning just a little bit forward, and you want your knees to stay out or to be more parallel as much as possible, never buckling in, just like that. When you pop down, the next exercise is called a plank. With a plank, you want to make sure that your spine is aligned with your neck. So you don't want gooseneck, or you don't want your head up, but your spine aligned with your neck, or tight, shoulders stacked over your hands. Then the next exercise is called a push-up or a push-away. With a push-up, you want to make sure that your elbows are at your side at all times by your ribs. Or tight, push-up or push-away from the ground. Yeah. Next is when you're popping back up from the burpee. It's okay to land on your toes as long as you have a good stance or stability. You want to jump up from there, and that completes the full cycle of a burpee. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and go to the next video and get started. Any questions, please feel free to email us or hit us up, and we will do our best to help you.
How high? Hey, praise Yahuwah.